Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you a 15 minutes full body workout session. Hope you enjoy this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I'll start with some warm up and then slowly and gradually I'll move on to the exercises or yoga asanas. So this is the slow neck movement that I am doing. You need to do it very slowly. So these are the palm movements. One thing which you should always realize that while doing any form of exercise, your breathing should be very normal, not very fast or very slow. Your process of breathing should be normal. A warm-up generally prepares your body before you start doing the exercises. It prepares your body by just raising your body temperature a bit and increasing the blood flow to your muscles. So warming up is very important, as I already told you some of the benefits, but I'll again reiterate the point that it reduces the risk of injury, it helps us to prepare mentally, and it increases our body flexibility, which going forward will help us with other exercises. So yes, never forget to warm up before you starting your actual exercises. So here I will start with a set of 10 to 15 Surya Namaskars, which is a very important exercise. I know everybody knows about this exercise, which is Surya Namaskar, and I also know that you guys are well acquainted with all its benefits, with its countless benefits it is having. But still, I'll name a few. So it helps lose weight, it gives us a glowing skin, it gives us a better digestive system. It ensures a regular menstrual cycle for girls. It brings down our blood sugar level. It improves anxiety. And also it helps our body detox. Apart from all this, there are many other benefits. First, you can start with 5 Surya Namaskars per day if you have never done it before. Then you can slowly increase it to 10 Surya Namaskars per day. Then you can increase it to 20, 30, 40, 50, as many as you want to do. Believe me, it really helps. It is the best exercise, I'm saying. If you're really busy to do any exercise, or let's say you don't have time to do anything, you cannot take out time from your busy schedules, just take out just 5 minutes and just do Surya Namaskar. Don't do anything but Surya Namaskar. A set of 10, 15, 20, 30, whatever. Just within that 10 minutes of time, just do this exercise and it will help you a great deal. Trust me. There are many girls out there who have really irregular menstrual cycles. They have irregular periods. So if you do this exercise, if you spare just 5 to 10 minutes of your day, trust me, your periods is going to get regular. Yes. So please start doing this. At least take out 5 minutes of your time and do this. Do a set of 20 Surya Namaskars. Hey, now that you know so many benefits of Surya Namaskar, so let me tell you something about the timing of Surya Namaskar as well. Though it can be done at any time of the day, but the most appropriate and beneficial time is at sunrise, since that is when the sun rays revitalize your body and freshen up your mind. Practicing it in the afternoon will energize your body instantly, while performing it at dusk helps you unwind. So now you know something about the timing. Don't worry, you can do it at any time of the day. Just spare 5 to 10 minutes and that's it. So you cannot do any exercise just before your meal or just after your meal. So you have to maintain a gap of minimum 3 to 4 hours. 3 hours would be fine. Just maintain a gap of 3 to 4 hours between your meals and your exercises. That would be good. So in this video, I'll be showing you few sitting asanas, few standing asanas, few lying on your front body asanas, few lying on your back body asanas, and planks and few mountain climbers. Surya Namaskar is also called sun salutation in English. It is a combination of 12 yoga poses. These poses not only helps to lose that extra fat that we all have around our belly, it also lets us stay in shape naturally. So by practicing it daily, we can burn it. We can burn our calories. We can burn almost 400 calories as the experts say. So now we will move on to some sitting asanas. So we'll prepare ourselves for the sitting asanas. Just relax a bit and then start. These are very simple sitting asanas, yet they have a lot of advantages and they work wonders for our body, trust me. By stretching our hands and legs, we are improving our body flexibility here. This exercise also helps to reduce our belly fat. So this is a very good asana. It is called Balasan in Sanskrit or child's pose in English. So it has also a lot of benefits. It helps calm the brain. It relieves stress, eases lower back pain, creates a good stretch in the hips and thighs. It increases blood circulation. So these are really good benefits, and if you practice this, I'm sure it will take time, but it will improve. So now we will prepare our body for some front lying asanas. So this asana is called as Dhanurasana or bow, because when we do this asana, our body takes the shape of a bow. This exercise has also a lot of benefits. It stretches the entire front of the body, ankles, thighs, abdomen and chest, throat. It strengthens the back muscles, it improves our posture, it stimulates the organs of the abdomen and neck. So if you practice it daily, it also helps in making your menstrual cycle regular. And don't forget to relax a bit between two different exercises. It's very important. You cannot start an exercise as soon as you finish another exercise. So you should always relax in between and then you start another exercise. So here I am preparing myself for some back asanas, back lying asanas. Now this is called Matsya Asana or fish pose. It relieves tension in your neck, throat and shoulders. It stretches and stimulates the organs of your belly and throat. It strengthens your upper back too and the back of your neck. This asana also gives you a glowing skin and glowing face. So this is plank, as you all know. It improves our body balance and posture, strengthens our core. By core I mean spine, shoulder bones, pelvic and joints. So it will strengthen your entire core. It improves body flexibility. It reduces belly fat and makes our tummy tight. It reduces backache. It improves our metabolism. So this plank it is divided into mainly 4 categories. One is right side, like side planks to your right and to your left. Both sides you do. The elbow plank is there, which I have already done it in the beginning. And then these are the side planks that you are gonna do after the elbow plank. So after finishing all your asanas or exercises, you can finish it off with some relaxing poses or relaxing asanas. This is called butterfly asana, and while you do it you look like a butterfly. So relax yourself and finish it with a butterfly asana. Hope you enjoyed this session, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And yes, these are like mountain climbers which I forgot to do, so I did it towards the end. It's never too late. So bye bye everyone, hope you like this video, and let's see you in the next video. Bye.